What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we are going to be cleaning up the engine bay of the Forte GT by installing some Redline tuning hood struts. Check it out. For this install, you'll need the following. To start, mask and measure 6 3/4 inches up from the top of the hood hinge mount. Then measure 3.5 inches from the side of the hood and mark where the spot intersects. Line up the mounting bracket to your mark, ensuring they are straight, and mark the holes. You can then drill the holes where marked. And then repeat on the other side. With the ball joints facing in, put the rivets in the bracket holes. Place your rivet tool firmly over the rivets, ensuring there is no gap between the bracket and the hood, and apply firm pressure to snap the rivets in place. Using the 14mm socket, remove the nut closest to the inner corner. Place the mounting bracket over the bolt, and then replace and tighten the nut. With that done, you can put the gas spring in place by snapping it into the ball mounts on the top and bottom. Finally, remove the stock hood prop with a 10mm socket to complete this simple installation. So that's just gonna about wrap up this video. As you can see, the QuickLIFT plus hood strut install was a breeze. It took about 20 minutes of our time. You can expect the install to be in 20 to 30 minutes on your own. If you want to see more content around the Forte GT, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you got any questions, drop in the comments below. If you want to pick up some hood struts of your own, I'll put that link in the description. And thanks for watching.